Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious apple pie. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need about 6 to 8 crisp apples like Granny Smith and 2 pie crusts. We'll also use 1/2 cup of granulated sugar, 1/4 cup of brown sugar, 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon, and a tiny pinch of nutmeg. These simple items form the foundation of our delightful dessert. Now, let's prepare our flavorful apple filling. Begin by peeling, coring, and thinly slicing your 6 to 8 apples. Place these slices into a large bowl. Next, add the 1/2 cup of granulated sugar and 1/4 cup of brown sugar. Stir in 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon and a dash of nutmeg. Finally, mix in 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour to ensure a perfectly thickened filling. With our filling ready, it's time to assemble the pie. First, roll out 1 pie crust and carefully fit it into a 9-inch pie plate. Then, spoon the delicious apple filling evenly into the bottom crust. Next, place the second pie crust on top, either as a solid top or a beautiful lattice. Finally, crimp the edges of both crusts together to seal everything securely, preparing it for baking. The final step is baking and enjoying your homemade apple pie. Preheat your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake the pie for an initial 15 minutes. Then, reduce the oven temperature to 375 degrees Fahrenheit and continue baking for another 45 to 55 minutes until the crust is golden brown. Remember to let it cool for at least 2 hours before slicing and serving for the best flavor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.